Tina here from Tina's Coupon Swap. Look what I got today. You know, just by the pink bag. I got my Ipsy bag today. I am so excited to see what's inside. I did take a little peek online, but I did stop, so I do know a couple things that are in here. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, I love it. Look at that bag. I love that bag. Alright, let's see. We want to see you work it. Style and snap a picture of your oh so chic September glam bag, tagging Ipsy, hashtag street style for a chance to win a 1-year Ipsy subscription. Ooh, that would be nice. That would be really nice. Street style. All right, let's get into it. I am so excited. All right, get off it. All right. So the first thing I'm pulling out is Art Touch Tinted Lip Gloss by Kaylin. That's pretty. It's Basic Instinct. I don't think that's gonna focus, but I don't know. I'm using my new phone to see if this takes a better video. I don't know. I usually use my iPhone, so I really like that. Okay, so then I got Be a Bombshell Smooth Criminal Powder. beabombshellcosmetics.com. Silica. Let's see if I can get it open. I don't know, I'm staring at that Sally Hansen thing. Oh my gosh. Oh, that looks kind of white. Get out. Okay, so let's just go to the next. So next I got Pacifica. What is it? I don't know. There's no color. It doesn't say if it's brown, so I'm assuming it's eyeliner. But all right. Doesn't have color or anything. I just kind of see you can't really tell on my phone, but it's brown. All right. I'm going to save that one. All right, so next, let's see. I can't get it out. Brio Geo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. Repairing mask for dry, damaged, or chemically treated hair. Replenish, restore, repair. Powder conditioning rosehip oil. After shampooing, massage, don't despair, repair into the hair. Leave in for 3 to 5 minutes. Oh, it smells really good. Kind of smells like coconut. Alright, and then it is the last thing in my bag. It's empty. But, so I got like a pinkish Miracle Gel, quick to apply and easy to remove. Okay, so I know these at Walmart, each one, you have to buy them separately, are $9.99. I know I was going to buy them and I didn't. Thank God, because I got them for free. Well, not for free. I'm sorry, not for free. I'm so used to doing everything for free. My Ipsy Bag is $10 a month. It's a monthly subscription. It comes out of your bank on the 1st, and then you get it, anywhere towards the middle of the month. I just got it today, so it's the 20th. I think last month I got it like on the 15th or the 16th or something, so I'm definitely gonna try this. I'll let you know. And and then I know this, I think it was like $14.99 or something like that. It's definitely a full-size version. It's the full size. I don't think this is the full size, this Be a Criminal, but that's a pretty good amount. And I think the full size is $26. So I mean, this is a pretty good amount to try. This hair stuff I know is pretty expensive, and that is a pretty good size, but I know the full size is way bigger than this. This says 1 fluid ounce. I don't know, it's not going to focus, of course. So definitely a good Ipsy bag this month. So I will put the link to Ipsy if you want to subscribe yourself. They have a waiting list right now, I know, and it takes a couple months to get off the waiting list, but it's definitely worth it. You take a beauty quiz, and they kind of put the stuff in your bag that kind of coincides with your beauty survey. So go ahead, give it a try if you want. I think you can try it for 1 month and cancel if you want. You can cancel whenever you want. I will definitely keep mine. I'm loving it. I love the pink bag. I love the bags that have come to me. I love the stuff. I love everything that has come to me so far. I have not come across anything that I haven't liked, that I haven't used. I've used everything, and I can't wait to give all of this a try. So you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye!